Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 26, 2024, and we're diving into some pivotal developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a landmark decision, the Federal Court for the Northern District of California has ruled that none of the tokens traded on the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken are considered securities. This ruling is a significant win for Kraken and the broader crypto community, as it supports Kraken's long-standing assertion that it does not list securities. The court criticized the SEC's vague concept of crypto asset security and questioned the SEC's portrayal of Kraken's stance on securities definitions. While the case will proceed to discovery, the court clarified that a token itself is not a security, though agreements related to it might be. The SEC's previous theory that tokens are securities was dismissed, requiring them to apply the Howey test to each transaction on Kraken. This decision highlights the challenges the SEC faces in regulating the crypto industry and suggests that Congress should establish a comprehensive framework for digital assets. Near Protocol is making waves with the launch of its chain signatures technology on the mainnet. This innovative feature allows users to sign transactions across various blockchains directly from their Near accounts, supporting chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and more. The technology promotes bridgeless omnichain DeFi and the creation of omnichain tokens, enhancing interoperability in the blockchain ecosystem. Near is actively engaging with the community through events like the Chain Abstraction Day in Brussels, part of the ETHCC conference, and is involved in the Open Source AI Summit. Their AI incubator supports projects like KI Ching by Cosmos AI, which empowers users to own their data and earn rewards. Near Protocol is positioning itself as a leader in blockchain usability and interconnected digital ecosystems. The Ethereum Foundation, EF, currently holds $845 million in ETH, representing 0.25% of the total ETH supply. In late 2023, EF allocated $30 million in grants, following an $8.9 million allocation earlier. These grants focus on educational initiatives and innovative projects that might not attract venture capital. Funded projects include global conferences for new Ethereum users, an online course on zero-knowledge systems, and user-friendly crypto wallets. Despite these efforts, EF faces criticism for a lack of transparency in financial reporting, with the last comprehensive report from 2021. Concerns arise over sustainability, as EF's spending could deplete their ETH reserves in about 8 years at the current rate. The need for better auditing and transparency is emphasized, contrasting with organizations like Polkadot, which are more open about their finances. EF's focus remains on education and niche products, rather than DeFi protocols, which often receive external funding. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay ahead.